one favorite destination. Their favorite destination. His too. This is the Philippines. This is Mega Diverse Philippines in an equally diverse region of Southeast Asia. The Philippines is one of the world's 17 megadiversity countries, which hosts 70% of the entire planet's species in its ecosystems and rich resources. Home to more than 52,177 described species, more than half of which are found nowhere else in the world. Home to endemic plants and animals. No wonder the Philippines ranks significantly in the world in terms of the number of unique species per unit area. The Philippines also geographically marks the apex of the Coral Triangle, the center of marine biodiversity worldwide. Its coral reef area runs to an estimate of 26,000 square kilometers, the second largest in Southeast Asia. Its coastal waters home to a wider range of corals, reef fishes, seagrasses, and mangroves. This is Megadiverse Philippines. And it gets even significantly richer with Benham Rise, a Philippine continental shelf of mesophotic reefs. The dugong, the whale, marine turtles, shark, manta rays, fish, and water birds. It is no surprise that in their migratory path, the Philippines is an important destination. As a party to the CMS, here their conservation is a commitment shared with other CMS parties. Here, they breed and forage in the rich marine wetlands and forest ecosystems. Here, their migratory site is protected, an important habitat of thousands of migratory birds within the East Asian Australasian flyway, several of which are internationally critical for conservation of migratory water birds. An important home in their migration. The world's biggest fish, the whale shark, or butanding, also finds home in the archipelago. While largely pelagic or deep water dwellers, the gentle giants occasionally gather near shore for feeding. While in Philippine waters, their sanctuaries, they too are protected. Come, dugong! Come, whales and turtles! You birds and butanding! Come to the cradle of bountiful biodiversity, beyond boundaries. Your breath is the world's breath. Welcome to the Philippines!